Ally Invest Review 2024 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. Most people get online investing platforms wrong by assuming they're only for experienced traders. Ally Invest in 2024 offers self-directed and managed portfolios, but is it the right choice? Ally Invest provides commission-free trades for stocks, ETFs and options along with automated portfolios for hands-off investing. The surprising truth is versatility. You won't believe what happens next when users can easily switch between self-directed trading and robo-advisor services depending on their experience and goals. Another advantage is low fees. Most people get this wrong by thinking full-featured platforms are expensive. Ally Invest charges no account minimums for self-directed accounts and offers competitive fees for managed portfolios. However, cons exist. Advanced tools may be less comprehensive than specialized brokers, and complex options trades may require additional research. Managed portfolios incur a 0.30% annual fee, which some may find high if account balances are small. In conclusion, Ally Invest is ideal for both beginners and intermediate investors in 2024 who want flexibility and cost-effective investing options. Its combination of self-directed trading and robo-advisor features makes it suitable for a wide range of investors seeking convenience and affordability.